Ready for your first airplane ride?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Good. We're about ready to fly. Here we go. Oil pressure's good. Everything's good. Here's my favorite part.
Hey everybody, I am excited, I'm nervous, I'm thrilled, but I can't believe I have this opportunity. My neighbor, Chris, who we built the gazebo together, you'll see that video, mentioned nonchalantly that he has an airplane and we should go up sometime. And I was like, let's do it in the fall. And the fall has come. We're here, beautiful fall foliage in New Jersey, and we're gonna capture that today. We're gonna go up in the airplane. What kind of airplane you have?
It's a 1947 Lusco.
1947. They don't have many newer than that? Scary.
They definitely do. They cost a lot more.
Oh man, I'm sure it's a classic.
It is a classic. It's after tour era.
That is so dope. I am very excited. I am. I'll be honest. I couldn't sleep last night. I could barely get any sleep because I am thrilled. I'm also nervous, but you know, that's what DadSquatch does. It gets me out there, living, doing things. So go out there, have an adventure. If I could do it, you could do it. This is really exciting. I'm gonna get some shots of the sky. We're gonna get a beautiful sunrise here. That's cool. Wow. Look at that. Holy smokes. We are going up in that. That is a wild.
You read me? Closer to your mouth. Do a check.
Testing. Got me?
Yeah, I got you. You can hear yourself too, right?
Yeah, I can.
So if you can hear yourself, it's how you know I can hear you.
Okay.
We're going to listen to weather right now.
W974 Tango Hotel, right base 01, flight W.
Base 01, okay.
Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 02 Celsius. Dew point 01 Celsius. Altimeter 3035. Remarks. Density altitude minus 1,900.
Good.
South Jersey Regional Airport, Mount Holly, New Jersey. Automated weather observation.
Alright, so weather's good, winds are calm.
974 Tango Hotel is final 01 flight W.
Visibility is 10 miles, which is the max. So all we're doing really right now is we're waiting for the oil temperature to get up near the white line. It's probably under it right now, a little bit. Oh wait, I didn't put your, does that sound way better now?
Yeah, it does. What
I didn't put the noise canceling, I didn't turn it on.
Yeah, much better.
Flight W, Skyhawk 974 Tango Hotel. Taking runway 01, right close traffic, short approach, Flight W.
It's like on this carpet. That matter.
Line to be traffic, left Columbus, crossing threshold 19, heading down to 1. Alright, so we are just taxiing down to 01 because there's some indication of wind and it's going in this direction, so you always want to take off into the wind.
Okay.
You get more lift, you have more control. So you're an airplane, there's 3 axes. Going this way, and this way. A little different than a car.
Yeah.
That's why we have the aileron.
Skyhawk 974 Tango Hotel, right downwind 01 flight W.
Aileron here, where the ailerons on the wings help you go bank right, bank left, up and push forward, the airplane goes down, pull back, airplane goes up. The rudder pedals control the airplane going this way, left and right, called yaw. Alright, so, here's what's going to happen. It's going to be super simple. But it's my responsibility to tell you if something goes wrong, our procedures. So, we're going to line up on the runway. I'm going to go full throttle. We're going to start running down the runway. If something goes wrong, if I notice something I don't like, I'm going to pull throttle back, we get off. If we're going to keep going, everything is good, and we get up, and there's still enough runway, if something goes wrong, we'll land the plane, we'll pull off, figure it out. If I'm up in the air and there's not enough runway, there's a nice giant field right here. And we're going to be making a right-hand turn. The traffic pattern goes this way. Big rectangle. Yeah, there's tons of fields over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Engine going wrong is really the only thing that we have to worry about. Okay. So that's our procedure. And I'll let you know if we're going down into a field or whatever, we're just going to pop the doors right before so we don't, they don't get jammed in or something. You good with that? Are you still cool?
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna go see Jesus.
Listen, we all are, right? But it won't be today.
Yeah.
When I'm flying, there's not going to be a whole lot of movement here, but right now I need to just check that everything is free and clear. We're good. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do the run-up to make sure our engine is good to go. What we do is we go up to 1700 RPMs. These are the RPMs, just like a car. Then I check my magnetos. This is what helps the, good there. So these fire off the,
Oil
spark
pressure?
plugs.
Oil pressure's good?
Oh yeah. It's in between the green. Well, I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
I'm ready, dude.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Yeah, Jordan.
See what we got here. Some planes lined up, so.
Enemy traffic, Cherokee, you guys gonna go or you still run up?
We're gonna go. Flight Navy traffic, Archer departing. Runway 1 will be departing to the southeast. Flight Navy.
Another reason I like to leave the window open is I can hear the engine well.
Yeah.
So it's like a peace of mind thing for me.
Right.
Cool.
Flight Navy traffic, left cone's gonna line up and wait, 01. Flight Navy.
So you got some nice radiation fog over there. That's what you're looking at. The fog on the ground.
Yeah.
Yep.
What is it?
Radiation fog. It happens when the sun during the day heats up the ground and then it gets cold at night. Heat rises,
Oh, yeah.
but it stops right there because it can't go any higher because the air's too cold. All right, everything looks good here. We're in the green across the board. Ready for your first airplane ride?
Yeah.
It's going to be quite a sight when we get up and make a right-hand turn.
Wow.
All right, we are good.
Flight Navy traffic, Archer is going to be departing the pattern to the southeast. Flight Navy.
He's leaving. All right, here we go. Good, 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 good. Tail wheel comes up. About ready to fly. Here we go. Oil pressure's good. Everything's good. Here's my favorite part.
We got upwind, left traffic, 31.
Just missed it.
Flight Navy traffic, Eagle is going to line up and wait. Runway 1, we're departing to the north today. Abu Dhabi.
Crazy.
Flight Navy traffic, left cone is departing straight out to the north. Line W.
Beautiful. Yeah, man. So right there is McGuire Air Force Base. That's where the big planes that you see flying over.
Yeah.
Like C-130s and stuff, that's where they land.
Okay.
back this way, you'll be able to get all the foliage. You'll be able to at least see it, because right now we're just kind of blinded by the sun, but...
Yeah. So awesome.
Yeah, man. This is my morning meditation.
Thank you, God. Amazing. Heaven.
Flying like a bird.
Wow. That's so incredible.
The hard thing about filming aviation is that a lot of the shots begin to look like the same thing. So you that's why it's good to have all these different vantage points.
Right.
For traffic.
Because it doesn't feel like that when you're up here, but when you go back and you look at all your videos, you're like, yeah, oh yeah, it's the same. So I'll have to get the strut now figured out for us, then we'll come back up. So
Amazing.
you know what we'll do? We'll fly over here. See all those white things on the ground? They look like clouds.
Yeah.
So most of those are they're either mines or they're giant lakes, and that's radiation fog. Just the shadows, the treetops.
Sorry, I'm all in your face.
Oh, you're good.
Flying W974, Takeoff.
So wild. It looks like it's
Runway 01.
hot South Jersey. So I'm going to turn this back around.
Okay.
We'll turn around your direction, give you a little view. Nice and easy. Won't scare you.
That I appreciate. Oh, there's quad trails now.
Yeah.
Wow, that is crazy.
You can see, if you look down at the radiation fog, you can see that the air is kind of being pushed to the east. That means that the general direction in the airflow right now is west to east. So, not windy out, but the air mass is moving out from west to east. There's Philadelphia.
Yeah, that's cool.
Red line traffic, Finance, 23.
saying much, but this is blowing my mind.
See, no, that's just usually what happens. Just relaxing. Want to go fly over our houses?
Yeah, let's do it.
When I was a kid, I used to fly RC cars there, where the RC field used to be.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, my grandfather. I hooked up the wrong frequency one time to some other guy's plane. He had just got done building it. Crash.
Oh, man. Bummer.
Yeah. So, we're right here. So you can see the flower farm out back my house, the giant flowers of flowers.
That's incredible.
This is kind of why we did it. Well, kind of why I did it.
There's my house.
Yep.
Let's go base final 1, flying W.
That is so cool.
Yep. So what we'll do is we'll just do what's called a turn around a point. We're just going to bank over. Stuff you have to learn when you're first learning to fly.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Wow.
Cool, right?
So awesome. We have beautiful houses and lives.
Yeah. Very rare that we get to do this because we're in the pattern of flying W, but since it's closed, nobody's here.
Incredible.
Alright, we'll head back.
Yeah.
Go back to W and we'll do a couple landings. Do you want to fly?
No,
Not today.
not today.
Alright.
No, I don't know why.
That's okay. There's no pressure. I'm just offering. If you do this enough times, you'll want to grab the stick and take controls.
I believe that. This is so amazing. It really is. I don't have any words.
Great, man. Happy to hear that.
Can we go?
What's up?
Can we go like right there?
Yeah.
See that water tower
Yeah.
in Hainesport?
I think so.
Right there. That's where my church is at right there.
Oh yeah, cool.
Follow the creek. My church is right on the creek. I just did that the other day kayaking.
Did you?
Yeah, I haven't got the video I got. Right there, that's the steeple to our church, I think.
It's the what?
Steeple to our church right there. Let me see.
Think it's gonna be on your side? Oh, like right down.
Yeah.
Got it.
See. I see it. You go to the left a little bit, I'll be able to see it. Perfect. Amazing.
You want me to fly around it?
Yeah. Wow. Incredible. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Planes did that like sideways running dog thing going on.
What's that?
I said planes did that like sideways running dog thing.
Oh, what, were they like going this way?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh. That's why, yeah, it's called crabbing. So, if the wind's pushing us this way, but I want to get over there, I have to like point, or if I want to go straight, but it's pushing me this way, I have to point certain amount of degrees into the wind in order to stay on track.
Wow.
Right heavy traffic, Luscombe is going to join the 45 right downwind for 01, flight W.
Nose flaring, full stop.
Not many hills around here, huh?
So sometimes we'll fly to like central PA, and it's really pretty because you have these rolling, like undulating
Harper County traffic.
ridge and valleys.
3 Delta 5.
Yeah, that's really cool because you'll be at like 2,000 feet,
Landing runway
and you'll fly over the valleys, and you'll be like, 1,500, 1,700 feet, and then the peaks come up to like 1,900, so you're just like 100 feet over the ridge line.
That's awesome.
A lot of fun. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to join the pattern here. The airport's right here.
Okay.
Right heavy traffic, Luscombe, join it right downwind 01, flight W.
And we're going to come in for a landing.
Nice.
My favorite part.
Coast clear. Over traffic, white Skyhawk is setting up for a left downwind for runway 22.
Right heavy traffic, Luscombe is right base 01, flight W.
So just pull the power back. I'm going to trim out. All that's done. So we're nice and smooth, coordinated. So fast, I'm going to do it's called a slip. So it's like coming in sideways.
Yeah.
This helps us slow down the airplane without losing altitude. straighten it right out. Boom. That's it, man. That's it.
That was crazy.
All right. I think we did good today. I think we'll call it.
Yeah, that was great, dude. That was amazing. That was awesome.
Heated death. So what'd you think?
I think it was amazing.
Were you as nervous as you thought you were gonna be?
No,
That's good.
no. I think next time we need to get breakfast.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah.
These little airplanes are just so much fun, man. You know, we didn't get to go land at the grass strips today, but we'll do it.
Yeah, you were very good at landing.
Dude, it's my favorite. I love it. Are you gonna do the honors of shutting off the airplane?
Yeah.
Pull that out slowly until it kicks.
That wasn't bad.
No,
That wasn't bad.
no, it's not.
So you know what?
It's fun.
So on commercial airlines, it's not the same, but you can't see anything. You don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
And then like, what else about? Oh, like the pitch changes, like the noise changes. That's why I got the Bose headphones, because I don't like that. You know, when you,
Like if you're on
What
an
did you
Airbus,
do?
you hear the thing going. Ring.
Yeah. What did you do? Like at the end, you like everything went.
Quiet.
You throttled down. Yeah.
And
that's
you're like, oh god.
that's unnerving. That's unnerving.
That's fair. I tried to. Well, I was trying to tell you I was doing it.
No,
afterwards,
no.
but,
That
like,
was good. That was good.
Yeah, so you don't just think like, oh my god, did the engine quit? Unfortunately enough, we were close to the airport, so.
Oh, that was so cool, dude. That was amazing.
Oh, guys, getting out of tiny airplanes.
I know,
That
right?
should be the name of the
Grunting.
Oh, you're good.
Sorry, dude.
You're good.
Oh man,
You're good.
that was so awesome. That was so awesome.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Wow, that was incredible. That's like a, yeah, that's incredible. I can't even believe it. Until next time, Betty. Betty, right? Okay, we just finished our day here at the airport and in the sky. I'm gonna tell you, just like a trip of a lifetime. For me, I'm just blown away. I didn't have a lot of words. I didn't know what to say. So beautiful. What an amazing place we live in. So close to the city, so close to the ocean. Absolutely grateful for this opportunity. It was very gracious of Chris to take me out here today, have a DadSquatch moment. I really can't even express my thanks to you, Chris. Really grateful, and had a really good time.
Well, it won't be the last time.
Yeah, we didn't stop to get breakfast because
we did a warm-up flight.
yeah, we just did like a warm-up flight, just keeping me comfortable. So we just made like a short roundabout. We flew over our houses, which was really awesome. Could see his flower farm from up in the sky. It was very beautiful. Just such a neat time. And we'll do it again. I'm looking forward to it. We'll grab a bite to eat, and
We have to, because the chorizo skillets are. We fly there for the chorizo skillet. At least I
chorizo
know.
skillet.
Yeah,
All right, I gotta try that.
that's it. I will fly 45 minutes for a chorizo skillet.
It sounds awesome. So we'll do that. I will do that soon too. Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us. I hope it was an adventure for you too. And man, I hope you're having a good time watching the channel. I hope it's a blessing to you. I hope it's an encouragement to you. And get out there and have an adventure today. Life is great. Take care.